everyone. Today we are in the class of 10 of the LPM Public School, and all the students are assembled here to participate in the group activity of model making. They all have made different groups, and they have chosen a specific topics on which they are preparing the model in the classroom, and they are going to be explain them. So we are proceeding towards the first group, okay? Explain about your topic, and may I know your good name and group?
My name is Shreyans of class 10th B. My group is this. My topic is human development.
So can you show us what you have prepared and how? Turn it around properly. Okay, what are the materials that you have used?
Thermocol, chart paper,
Okay.
some color paper.
Okay, so can you explain about the topic?
Human brain. Brain is a complex organ that controls our body and regulates all the process that is done in our body.
You mean to say that control and coordination mechanism is going to be performed by the brain. Can you tell few parts? Just you hold this. Okay, now can you tell the parts what you have mentioned here? Anyone
Parts
of you?
of brain, forebrain, hindbrain, and forebrain, hindbrain, and hindbrain.
Okay.
Forebrain is the largest part of brain. It controls our thinking, sleeping, and.
Okay, good. Keep it up. Okay. So according to the second group, so may I know the name of the group leader? Means this is human digestive system, right? Okay.
Firstly, we will talk about digestive system.
No, first tell me what are the materials that you have choose to make your this project.
We have chosen sticky notes, thermocol, chart paper, sketch pen, and color. On the system is a mechanical system from which we take our food and nutrient get absorbed in our body. Then we will talk about mouth. Mouth is the first stage of alimentary canal in which our food is get chewed and the saliva get mixed with our food, which makes sleepy our food. And then we will talk about esophagus. Esophagus is a tube-like structure which is 25 cm long and which helps the food to pass through it and get in stomach. Then we will talk about the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped structure which helps to digest the food and the hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and the mucus is present in the wall of stomach that helps the stomach to prevent from hydrochloric acid. Then the partially digested food go in small intestine. In small intestine, it gets completely absorbed and the finger-like structure present in the small intestine.
Okay, there is thing that in the small intestine, your stomach, okay, there is acidic condition.
Yes.
So we know, I think, when the food transfers from the stomach to the small intestine, they need basic condition. So how come that acid medium food gets converted into the basic medium?
Because with the help of bile juice, secreted by liver.
Secreted by liver. So all your members have equally participated, right?
Yes.
In the formation of this project. Very good, very nice. Okay. Group, I think. And may I know the name of the group leader? Okay, be louder, man. Okay. So tell me the topic that you have prepared. Okay, cross section of the leaf to show the process of photosynthesis. So these are the group members. They have also worked with you, right? Can you explain your topic?
Photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their own food in presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide. Chloroplast are the cell organelles.
Can you show there where you have made an off?
Chloroplast, which are disc-like structure found in the rectangular shapes, which perform photosynthesis, which contain thylakoids in it to perform photosynthesis, and they are.
Can you show what are the parts and what they function by seeing your project?
There is waxy cuticle above and lower the lid, which prevent water to loss.
Okay.
And there is a upper epidermis and lower epidermis.
There is a cell that is known as mesophyll cells. Okay. So can you tell me the importance of mesophyll cells?
Mesophyll cells are found in the middle of the leaf,
Okay.
which contain more and more chloroplast for photosynthesis.
Okay. And what is chloroplast?
Chloroplast are the cell organelle found in green plants, which
What role they play?
they contain their own DNA and ribosome and perform photosynthesis.
Very good. Okay. Keep it up. And okay, group leader name? And this is your group, right? Can you tell me the topic? It will be something very different.
Yes, so it is a structure of as we have studied about
Slowly. Be relaxed.
as we have studied about food decay in our class, so we made a structure of
Okay,
food.
this is the structure of the tooth,
Yes.
right? Okay.
First we can see it is the first part, hardest part in our body, enamel, which is made up of calcium. We studied in tooth decay that as we eat food, if we do not wash our teeth or brush our teeth, the bacteria in our food present covers our teeth, which lead to plaque, which then decay our tooth. It may lead to infection and many other problems. So we should brush our teeth after eating food or do any other activity. We eat food through our teeth. This is the enamel. When we eat food,
Enamel, the most strong, hardest part of the teeth, okay?
we eat food, the enamel, which is the hard part through which we crush our tooth or chew our food. So when we eat food, some of the bacteria which are present in the food covers the enamel part of our.
Why they cover enamel bacteria?
They cover enamel because it is easy for them to, they release acid which is easy to degrade the enamel.
Okay, they release acid, but for that they need to have something. For what purpose they move towards the enamel?
Because they need calcium which
Because the food that we eat, if we want to brush, then it is going to be stick around the enamel. And if the bacteria are going to be eat that, they are going to produce what? Acid. Okay, that going to be decay. Okay, continue. Very good.
when decay, so if first they decay the enamel part of our teeth. When they enamel, they later go to dentine and then pulp. When they reach pulp, it causes inflammation, many painful, for which we need to go to doctor. Many people get many type of surgeries on their teeth.
Okay, your topic is quite good and different, and I think they all have participated equally, right?
Everyone has put equal effort in this.
Okay, very good. Keep it up. And I think this is the fifth group. Oh, it's looking very nice. Can you tell me the topic name? And first of all, introduce yourself and about your group.
This is from class 10B and this is my group. Today we are representing the model of stomata. So today we are representing the model of stomata. But firstly, I would like to tell you about the stomata, that what is stomata, what is the function of stomata. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the surface of leaf and they are present in a large number on the lower surface of leaf. The function of stomata in the plant body is for transpiration as well as the exchange of gases. You can see here, the stomatal pores are surrounded with two bean-shaped structure that is called guard shells. The opening and closing of the stomata is the response of the guard shells.
Okay, it's very good, really. Can you first tell me what are the raw material you have choose to make this project?
Cardboard,
Okay.
watercolors, and
Okay. Means basic things you have used, okay, but really you made very nice. Chloroplast, okay, sorry, what? Stomata. So which one is closed and which one is open? What is the mechanism behind that?
When the stomata is open, then the guard shells intake the water from the plant body and they become swell and form the curved structure and then it gets opened.
Okay.
And when it needs to close, the guard shells remove the water from it and they become flat and the stomata.
Very good, keep it up, very good, very nice.
Thank you.
Looking very colorful, okay, your project. So first of all, please introduce yourself and about your group.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Machwar of class 10th B and having team members Arpita, Simran, Sharvam and Piyush Jaiswal, and today I am here and my group is here to represent a topic which is nutrition in amoeba. So first, what is nutrition? Nutrition means intake of the food and the utilization of the nutrients present in food by the organism. Amoeba, in the nutrition takes place in amoeba by 5 processes. First, ingestion. Amoeba ingests the food by the help of pseudopodia by forming temporary.
Can you please show there where is the pseudopodia?
Here these are the pseudopodia, and the amoeba catches the food by the help of pseudopodia by forming temporary vessels around it. After ingestion, the amoeba digests the food by the help of enzymes present on the cytoplasm. After digestion, the amoeba absorbs the nutrients and grows bigger and neutralize nutrients for the reproduction, and the undigested part gets thrown away from the amoeba by rupturing its cell membrane from its one side, and that's how the nutrition takes place in amoeba.
Very good. Okay, can you tell me what are the raw materials that you have used?
Thermocool, chart paper, and finish.
One more question. Can you tell me which type of cell amoeba is?
Yes, sir. It is unicellular eukaryotic.
Eukaryote. Okay, so what is the difference in eukaryote and prokaryotic cells?
In eukaryotic, the organisms have well-defined nuclear region, but while in prokaryotic organisms does not have.
One more question. Okay. Can you tell me what type of mode of nutrition amoeba follow?
Amoeba follow holozoic mode of nutrition in which he ingests the whole food and digests it inside his food.
Very fantastic. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Introduction of the group.
Yes, sir.
Be louder.
My name is Acitivity from class 10B and I am here to tell you about photosynthesis.
Okay, you have made a project. Your topic is on photosynthesis, right? Okay, please proceed.
Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food with some raw materials like carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight.
Can you explain with your model?
Yes. Photosynthesis is the process by which the plant prepare their food with the help of sunlight and various types of. There are stomata under the lower part of the leaf, from which gases exchange takes place, and it prepare their food by the help of raw material like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, with the help of chlorophyll. And the main thing is stomata. Most of the various gases exchange takes place by the stomata, and stomata have different parts like stoma is the hollow space, and chloroplast and guard cell.
Okay. First of all, please tell me what are the raw materials that you have used to make your project?
Cardboard and thermocool, glue and seal.
Dot paper and all, right? Can you tell me the basic steps that is there takes place in the process of photosynthesis?
Yes, sir. Absorption of sunlight by the help of chlorophyll,
Okay.
and then reduction and then photolysis of water, and then reduction of carbon dioxide. Carbohydrate.
With these three questions are there, okay? Tell me the first, what is the things or how they are capable, means plants are capable to absorb sunlight?
By the help of chlorophyll.
Okay, what is chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll is the green color pigment present in the.
And can you people please tell me what do you mean by the photolysis of water?
Means breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen.
Okay, and what release by the process?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Okay. And what was the last step? I mean to say carbon dioxide gas, that is going to be reduction. So what happens when it gets reduced? What form?
When it gets reduced,
Form?
it forms oxygen.
Release
Carbohydrate.
carbohydrate. Very good. So can you tell me the name of that carbohydrate? Anyone? Formula of glucose?
C6H12O6.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. So please introduce yourself.
We are making the hot human heart and some.
Okay, your topic is the human heart, right? Okay, please explain it.
Sir, in human,
Please you hold this properly.
the heart is main function in our body. It is muscular. It contains its main role was transfer pump out blood through all out the body. Here we can show that when blood comes from when blood comes to our heart, it will comes out and in another part of the body.
What are the different parts? Can you explain?
Sir, this is right ventricle and this is left ventricle.
So one more question. Can you please tell me which part of the blood have the oxygenated blood and which one is deoxygenated?
Sir, the left ventricle has written.
Very good. The left part of the body is oxygenated and right one is deoxygenated. Okay. So, okay, it is working.
Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. It is working. Can you proceed that again? Very good. Oh, great. That's great. So, how many chambers are there in human heart? 4 chambers. Can you explain them? Means name them. See, it's mentioned there.
Right ventricles, left ventricles, right ventricles, and left.
Left ventricles and left part carry oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Keep it up.